Here's how you can find the limiting reactant quickly and accurately. So in a limiting reactant problem, you're given the amounts for each reactant. So which one do you run out of in the reaction? If the ratio is 1 to 1, we can just compare these. This right here, it's less. That's the limiting reactant. This one is in excess. Down here, it's a little more challenging. We have a 1 to 3 ratio. So here's what we do. We divide the number of moles by the coefficient. These are just numbers I made up here. We get 3.6 and 1.2. This is the limiting reactant. Think of it this way. We have 1.8 over 1, 2.1 over 1. We can just compare. So down here we have 3.6 over 1, and when we divide it, this is the same as 1.2 over 1. Just like this, we're comparing. This is less. It's the limiting reactant. So pause, try this one. You're given two amounts. Which one of these is going to be the limiting reactant? Which do we run out of in this reaction? This is less. It's the limiting reactant. That's it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.